Today was more than just a picnic. It was more than we set out to do. It was nothing that I expected the day to turn out to be. Did you expect the day to turn out like this?
No, I wanted to do what we have done, but I believe we will have to take like 1 hour and a half.
We've been here for what? 4 hours plus?
Yeah, almost 5, which are 12 and a half.
And it's now after 5 p.m. and we've just left. It just goes to show that it's been a good day. Once you hear Mel been walking and not complaining, you know it was a good day, right, babe? This, guys, is her bedroom. Wow.
Right?
You guys, Tyler say wow. You say wow? Say wow. Wow. You guys, look at that. Look at these little cool hideaway spots and these little cool fountains. So pretty. Wow. These flowers in Jamaica, you know what we call these flowers? Stinking Mary. This orange one, because if you touch it, it smells like it for the rest of the day. You know it? Wow. Babe, I want a picture right there. Right here.
Are you on video? So the final piece of information from we're finally at the top part of the house where we're overlooking the garden where we were down here earlier. So we just learned that this garden, if you can see the front, is kind of shaped this way, kind of going this way, and this side kind of coming this way. So what happened is that she designed the garden and the house so it feels like a ship, so it always reminds her of a cruise that she went on. So it's actually shaped like a ship. So it's just amazing when you look at it after they said that information. It's just crazy. So she wanted the backyard to look like a ship with the garden in the middle. So that's the garden, the French garden, which is the first garden you're looking at right now. So this is the French garden. All the other country gardens are around here. Chinese, Japanese, Asian, Spanish garden is where we just came from. So yeah, this is the final piece of the garden. And baby's over there listening to more information. And we just came from in this room, which is actually her monkey room, because she had 2 monkeys as pets, so this was the room that belongs to the monkeys. Let's go then. Boy, what are you doing, silly boy?
You guys, today was more than just a picnic. It was more than we set out to do. It was nothing that I expected the day to turn out to be. Did you expect the day to turn out like this?
No, I wanted to do what we have done, but I believe we will have to take like 1 hour and a half.
We've been here for what? 4 hours plus?
Yeah, almost 5, which are 12 and a half.
And it's now after 5 p.m. and we just left. It just goes to show that it's been a good day. Once you hear Mel been walking and not complaining, you know it was a good day, right, babe? It was a good day. It was more than a picnic. It was a perfect day date. It was just amazing. The views were awesome. The history was awesome. I'm not a history kind of person, but when I'm engaged and is into a history like this, you know that it was good. So we're actually heading home right now.
Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Blow them kisses. Alright, say I'm going to bed.
Bye-bye.
The night-night.
Night-night.
Hey guys, we're just coming on to end the vlog. Had a really long day and we're all tired. Tala is off to bed. I'm just gonna go ahead and give you guys a Jamaican expression for today, and the Jamaican expression for today is going to be swallow. If you hear a Jamaican say, why you swallow that for? They're simply asking you, why did you swallow something? But in Patois, it is swallow. We don't say swallow. Understand?
Yeah.
Say it.
So why you swallow that?
Alright, boss. Swallow.
Why you swallow that?
Alright. So swallow simply means to swallow something. What's the French word or expression for today?
The French word for today will be dimanche.
Okay.
Dimanche. Dimanche is just Sunday. This is the day we are. Happy Dimanche, everybody. And I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. If it's the case, just don't forget to give us a thumbs up.
Alright, any go man, continue.
Don't forget to subscribe, to touch the bell that
To
should
turn
be
on your
on your
notification.
top. And leave a comment, and we'll catch you guys tomorrow.
No, so catch up and keep up.
Catch up and keep up,
Right.
and we'll see you guys Monday.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Bye guys. You did a good job, honey.